Morning, ma'am. The title of my speech, it's all about automotive technology innovation. The automotive world is moving faster than ever. Innovation is no longer just about building stronger engines. It's about creating smarter, cleaner, and safer mobility for everyone. Electric vehicles are reshaping our roads with zero emission power, while advanced batteries are pushing the limits of range of efficiency. At the same time, autonomous driving systems are learning to detect obstacles, predict traffic patterns, and reduce human error, bringing us closer to a future where accidents become the exception, not the rule. Connectivity is transforming our cars into rolling computers, vehicles that communicate with each other, with the road, and with us. From over-the-air updates to AI-powered driver assistance, technology is making every journey smoother and more personalized. And behind it all, sustainable manufacturing and innovative materials are helping the industry reduce its environmental footprints. Automotive innovation isn't just changing how we drive, it's redefining how we live. The road ahead is existing and the future is already in motion. Thank you.